cultivate, elevate, create, cultivate, elevate. Let's get my position right first. Okay, that looks better. What's up, y'all? So obviously I am going to introduce, create, cultivate, elevate. I have been home these past couple of days doing a lot of crafts. I started decorating my living room, so I created these right here by adding this rattan around it to create this little corner over here. Create, cultivate, elevate would be about creating whatever it is that feels good for your soul, being unapologetic about it, cultivating all of those gifts, all of those passions, honoring your legacy, telling your story as authentically as possible, and cultivating community while in the midst of that. As a Black woman, that's very, very important. Something I feel like we need way more in our communities. And we elevate from that. You know, it only gets better once we get down the line and our children are honoring their gifts, living in their authenticity, honoring all their passions and their children, and so on. I really feel like it's time that we open up more conversation around being a creative, owning a business, being a Black business owner, to get others' experiences and just kind of wrap up what I've been through, what I've experienced, what I've learned on this journey. So I really appreciate everybody that is tuning in. It means so much to me because this is a big step for me to put myself out there, but I have these conversations with my friends and I just feel like I'm talking to my friends. So thank y'all friends for tuning in, and I really look forward to hearing from y'all. So I'm gonna get into this. What's up? Welcome to another episode of the Cultivation Corner. The Cultivation Corner is a space where we're going to honor and cultivate the gifts and passions of creative entrepreneurs. I have many passions, and I don't want to box myself in. Sometimes you just have to work with what you have to get the job done. That is why I love crafting and DIYs. So I'm going to walk y'all through one of the projects that I've taken on lately. Then hopefully it'll inspire y'all to explore a little bit more also. I get a lot of my African inspiration from the Spirit of African Design book. That rattan was perfect since I had some laying around the house, so I went ahead and put that to use. So here I have a bunch of thrifted wicker plates, rattan, a glue gun, glue sticks, and scissors. I started off by doing one by one and gluing them onto the plate, but that became time consuming. So I just went ahead and glued multiple pieces of the rattan together and glued that to the wicker plate. Yes, I did bring out the flat irons. I wanted to make this look as cohesive as possible. A quick DIY for home decor with the wicker plates and rattan. Thank you so much for creating with me. Make sure you like and subscribe and turn on those notifications to get more updates from Create, Cultivate, Elevate. Peace.